What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, we have another organization video. I really didn't think anyone would watch my last video on organizing because honestly it's really not that exciting, but shout out to the full like 100 of you that watched it. You guys are the realest. If you saw my last video, then you would remember I said I had a huge pile of jewelry that was on the floor in bags that I literally have not looked at since I moved to Ireland 2 years ago because I had nowhere to put it, but today I do. And that is all thanks to Amazon and the amazing hanging jewelry cabinet that I found with a mirror. That's right. This bad boy hangs right on the back of the door and it came already assembled, which is fantastic because you know when you get stuff from like IKEA and whatnot, like you gotta put it together, like no. Ain't nobody got time for that. I mean, maybe you do because it's quarantine, but that's beside the point. The other thing that's great about this is it comes with keys, and there is a little side here that you can lock. So, you know, if you go out of town, you got expensive fancy shit in there, you might want to lock it up. I mean, I suppose I could take the whole thing off the door and run out with it, but that would be real extra. Let's give an empty tour of the inside of this because there's nothing in here yet. So you just open it. Wow, fancy. So you hang the necklaces here, there's like earrings, more necklaces, places to put like your rings and all that stuff, bracelets. So I'm pretty excited to finally have a place to put all of my crap because baby girl has a lot of jewelry. Let the jewelry organization extravaganza begin. This is the progress so far. This was only the jewelry that was in my makeup stand, and there was still a big bag of jewelry on the floor. So we have our work cut out for us, and hopefully it's all gonna fit. So I'm finally done. That took about like an hour and a half, 2 hours, which is actually pretty good considering how much stuff I have. So without further ado, the final reveal. Drum roll, please. Bam! So in this little orange guy here, I have a lot of my more expensive stud earrings that are really small that I don't want to lose. And here are some pendants that don't have a chain. More pendants in this drawer here. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this jewelry organization. I know, again, not the most exciting video in the world, but it is a good quarantine activity. Organization is key when you are bored. Stay healthy and safe, and thank you guys so much for watching.